Hi guys, welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, and in this video I am very excited because I'm going to be giving my slimes a makeover, and today I'm only going to be giving one slime a makeover, and I saw so many videos like this on YouTube and I was super excited whenever I figured out that I'm going to be trying this out. So before we get started with the video, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to go in the description box down below and click that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you do, that would be so awesome. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the video. After. And oh my goodness guys, the slime after is way better in my opinion. Comment down below and tell me which slime, if you like the before or the after better. I would love to hear it. And as you can tell, it spreads really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And this slime was so fun to make, and I am just so obsessed with it. It is totally magical. I just love it so much. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!